How to edit your Etsy shop name. Hi and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Etsy shop name. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So here in our Etsy shop dashboard, what we're going to do is that we're going to go to the left-hand panel, and there we're going to scroll down onto our settings. So once you've found your settings in your left-hand panel, you just need to click on it. Now here in your settings, what you're going to do next is you're going to go to your info and appearance. Alright, there you have it. Now here in info and appearance, what you're going to do next is that you're going to edit your shop name by going to the shop name section. You could also do that here under info and appearance. There's a hyperlink that says change. Now here in the shop name, what we are going to do is that we are going to input our new shop name in this box right here. And basically what happens when you change your shop name is that all links to your shop continue to work and no one can use your previous shop name. So your shop will have a new URL. Links to previous shops URLs will direct to your new shop URLs. We use 301 redirects to help maintain your search engine rankings after the change. And then they also let people know that you have changed your shop name basically. So that's what you need to know and what you need to do in order for you to edit your Etsy shop name. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.